What's good, fellow hustlers? My name is dillonpeffer and I am back with video number 2 on my trading journey. Last time we traded on the one pair. This time we'll be trading on 4 different pairs. The pairs that I will be trading with are the pound to the pound JPY, euro pound, the euro USD, and the euro JPY. Now then, our first pair that we'll be looking at is the euro to the pound. Okay, same like last video, we'll be trading on 3 different time frames: the 15, the 5, and the 1. Usually I'd use the 4, the 15, the 4, the 1 hour, and the 15, or the 4 hour, the 15, and 5 minute, or the minute. But for this video, I'll be using those 3 time frames. Yeah, let's just get into it. Here we go. Euro pound. Get into the chart. You can check the chart out. You can check it on both sides. You know, check it on both sides. This is the minute. 5 minute. As you can see, there has been some analysis done on these on the chart already. A little pre-analysis, because recording live is actually quite long, so decided to do a quick pre to catch the trades. You know. Oh, stop loss, kind of red. And we'll put out TP. Trying to gain a lot, just enough, but yeah. Now it is going down, so it might take some time before it comes up to there. Yes. So chart. Boom, new order. Sell limit. Boom. Yeah. Sell limit at 0.8. 502. And then our stop loss 0.8. 1, 2, 3, 5s, and then look, 4 5s. Oh damn, 4 5s. Yoink. 0.853. 85. Okay then, place the trade. Trade place, that's trade number 1. It's going down though, so it makes me wonder if it will hit our sell limit. Well, then next pair we will look at the euro to the USD. Okay, we have some analysis that's here already. Quick jump. Open the chart. Just jump into this one, should be okay. Instead of placing an order, should I just jump in this one? Fuck it. Let's just jump into it. Let's just jump Geronimo into the cell. We go. We jumped into. Got to modify. Putting a stop loss down now would get me eliminated sooner than I think, because the stop loss that I want to put down is around the, I think I'll add a stop loss just before our TP, just before it hits our TP. That is a risky play though, very risky. Well, while I have you here, please like, share and subscribe. we need it. Now then, that we got that down. We are down $1. Wait, let's take a look at our other trade. I think I might jump into this first one, the first trade we made, the first trade we placed. You know what, we'll just see. We'll give it another 10 minutes or so, 20 minutes. Euro JPY. Okay, let's go there so long. Ooh, quick buy. It's been playing this level for a while. Perhaps I should jump into the trade here. I would put the TP. So then, the Euro JPY. Jump into the buy. And we have a buy in here. You know what? I think I would take $1 profit. Let's adjust. I'll take profit. I'll take profit here. So far we have 3 trades being placed. I mean, in 3 trades, while the other one is still placed. So we're in 2 trades. Okay. We have 3 trades that we've placed. In the blue, in the red, heavy red. The third one. We are in 3 Euro. Euro USD, Euro Pound, Euro JPY. Whoop, the other trade kicked in. You know what? I'll let these 3 trades play out. No matter how they play out, and then I'll place the 4th one. We must add the dollar with 2 trades. Oh, the Euro USD. The Euro USD, I must still set the TP. I have set a TP here. I just gotta wait. Like I said, I'm just waiting. Okay, this is going to drop for a while, but it's almost at my TP. I have faith in the Euro JPY that it will hit my TP. Okay guys, so far I have 3 trades placed, losing on 2, blue on 1. We are in the blue with 1, 2 with 2 trades. So I'm gonna wait another 5, 10 minutes on maybe a little bit more for the Euro USD. Then I'm gonna set the stop loss. Oh, okay, it's playing out the way there. Just let that keep going. What's happening over here? What's happening over here? We almost had our TP. We almost had our TP. And then over here. Oh, we were almost at our TP here as well. 3, 8, 2, plus. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. Now we have all 4 of our trades. We have all 4 of our trades down, which is the Euro USD, the Euro JPY, and the Euro Pound. We are up on 2 trades by $1, and we are down almost $3 on the 1 trade. I don't have a stop loss though for this specific trade. A little under $2, or maybe close to $1.50 loss, and then we will add our stop loss, which should not be done, honestly. You know, when you do your analysis, these are things that you have to be really sure on, and like where you have your entry points. I just came in on these trades, you know, I really didn't. And while we're waiting, let me say this, please go and watch my first video if you do not know what's happening on this video, and if you are generous enough to go through or go and check that other video out, please check out our other videos that we're doing on the SMC. Just like the first video, this video, my trading platforms are TradingView for the chart analysis, and then MetaTrader 5 for the actual trade placements. And this is a dummy account. After this series, we will see if we are eligible enough to go on to a real account. I think, like, to make things go smoother for our next video, I should like set up the trades, set up my analysis, place my trades, and then when we record the video for the next time, we'll just come into the trades, you know. Okay, our second trade is almost at our TP, I feel. I think that's gonna be a loss. Loss number 1. Honestly, I'm just thinking that's loss number 1. It's a loss. That is a loss. We'll accept this loss. Boom. We have a loss of $4 on the Euro USD. Yeah. That's loss number 1. We will count that as a loss. Right, to summarize, we are down a trade. We lost one, but we 2 trades that are running that are at the dollar, and one that is placed that I don't think is going to actually kick in. We are going to have to look for a 4th somewhere else. So we're going to have to let go of this trade. We're gonna have to delete him. And we're gonna have to go look for a much quicker trade. Where's the JPY? He's just jumping. Buy on JPY. Alright. Stop loss at about 147.9. Okay, now we have our 4th trade in. We are at the tip of our TP. You know, since we are almost at our TP, I'm going to close this trade, take it on the high with a profit. That's one down. We had a loss and we had a win, so we break even. Although we lost more than we gained, I'm going to admit that. But like I said, you know, the series is not on how much I gained, it's on how many wins I have and how many losses I have, and then to tally that up. Okay guys, we had some technical difficulties. The camera ran out of battery power, and during that time our 2 trades finished. He broke even basically. So we have 3 trades that was a win and 1 that was a loss. So in total our tally is 7-1, and yeah, hopefully next video will be much better. Oh, well, it wasn't that bad this video, but hopefully next video we will only have wins. Until then, I hope you guys do keep well. My name is dillonpeffer. This was our 2nd trading video, and we'll see you on the 3rd.